Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2. This game is a 5 versus 5 tactical first-person shooter where two teams, terrorists and counter-terrorists, battle for objectives. As a terrorist, your main goal is to plant a bomb at one of two sites or eliminate the opposing team. Counter-terrorists must prevent the bomb from being planted or defuse it if it is. Competitive matches are won by the first team to secure 13 rounds, with sides swapping after 12 rounds. Beyond competitive play, you can also enjoy modes like casual, deathmatch, and wingman. Mastering core mechanics is vital for success. Always aim with your crosshair at head level, anticipating enemy positions for swift eliminations. Weapons have unique recoil patterns. Learn to compensate by pulling your mouse in the opposite direction of the spray. For stealth, use the walk key to move silently or crouch to become a smaller target and increase accuracy. Utility grenades are game changers. Smoke grenades create visual barriers for 18 seconds, while flashbangs temporarily blind and deafen opponents, giving your team a crucial advantage. Understanding the economy is key to long-term success. You earn money each round based on wins, losses, kills, and objectives like planting or defusing the bomb. Winning a round grants $3,250, while a loss provides a bonus starting at $1,400, increasing up to $3,400. Strategic spending is crucial. Sometimes, an eco round where you buy minimal gear, like a pistol, is necessary to save for a full buy in subsequent rounds, equipping your team with rifles, armor, and utility. To truly excel, delve into advanced techniques and consistent practice. Utilize community-made training maps to refine your crosshair placement and master weapon recoil patterns. Experiment with advanced movement like counter-strafing, which instantly stops your character for precise shots, and air strafing, which helps maintain momentum. Deepen your map knowledge by learning callouts and effective grenade lineups. Consistent practice, even just 20 minutes daily, focusing on specific skills, will significantly elevate your gameplay and help you climb the ranks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.